What if I told you your phone might be stealing your life 1 minute at a time? Not your money, not your job, your time. And the scary part? You probably don't even notice it happening. Imagine this. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Your alarm goes off. You reach for your phone just to turn it off. Then you see one notification. You open it. One video becomes three. Three become 10. And suddenly, it's 7:37. You haven't even left your bed, but your brain has already consumed dozens of pieces of content. And then you tell yourself, it's okay, I'll start my day now. But later, you're working. You get another notification, you check it for 5 seconds. Then another video appears, then another, and you say the most dangerous sentence, just 5 more minutes. 5 minutes doesn't sound dangerous. That's exactly why it works. Let's say you lose just 1 hour every day to mindless scrolling. 1 hour. Sounds small, right? But 1 hour a day becomes 365 hours a year. That's more than 15 full days. 15 days doing nothing you actually wanted to do. And that's just 1 hour. Think about your life like an hourglass. Every second, another grain of sand falls. You can't grab it, you can't pause it, and you definitely can't put it back. Your phone doesn't take your time all at once. It takes it one grain at a time. But here's where things get interesting. The problem isn't simply that your phone is bad. Your phone is a tool. The real problem is your attention. Because every time you give your attention to something meaningless, you're taking it away from something meaningful. Your goals, your health, your relationships, your creativity, your future. And modern apps are extremely good at keeping you engaged. Infinite scrolling, notifications, short videos, likes, recommendations. There is always one more thing to watch. So you don't need more motivation. You need fewer distractions. So here's a simple experiment. Tomorrow morning, don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. No social media, no messages, no random videos. Instead, drink some water, walk, stretch, read a few pages, write down your 3 most important tasks, and let your brain experience something rare. Silence. And don't rely on willpower. Make distraction harder. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Remove addictive apps from your home screen. Keep your phone away from your bed. And when you need deep focus, put your phone in another room, because sometimes the easiest way to win a battle is to stop fighting it. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. You look back at your life. Would you rather remember thousands of hours scrolling or thousands of hours building something, learning something, traveling, talking to people you love, becoming the person you always wanted to become? Your phone isn't the enemy, but your unconscious relationship with it might be. Every time you pick up your phone, ask yourself one question. Did I choose this, or did the algorithm choose it for me? Because your life is made of moments, and your moments become your life. So don't wait until you look back and realize you were busy scrolling through the life you were supposed to be living.